So in your SketchUp you can use these tools to create multiple things or any shape you want. So I'm gonna create a new document as you have seen and remove this person from here. So this is basically the line tool, which has a pencil icon, and you'll find the freehand tool under it by clicking on this arrow. So with line tool you can create lines by clicking on a point and dragging to your desired location, and when it is showing blue axis, then it will create the line in the blue axis. But if it is showing in the green axis, then it will say on green axis. But you can create lines on random location too by selecting like this, and when you do that your line will be in black color. But if you are creating line on blue axis or green axis or red axis, then it will show these colors as you can see here. So you have to click on a point and select another point on an axis to create perfect angle. So as you can see, a line has been created and line will be shown as black, in black color, and you can start another line from that end point and drag it to create another one. And here you can see when I'm doing that, it is showing green axis option because this line will be parallel to the green line in the bottom. So if I drop this, you can see it has been created, and I can create another one from here and then create another one from here. So this will basically create a rectangle shape. So you can create as many or any shape you want. You can also create lines by mentioning measurement. So for that, for example, if you want a line to be 3 feet in height, then you have to just, let me first remove this. So you have to just click on a point. This point can be anywhere in this area, but if you want to create stuffs which are very angle dependent, and it has to be 90-degree and stuff, and it has to be very solid and structured, then I would suggest you to use these lines to start a line point, I mean. So for example, if you want to create a 3 feet height line, then you have to click on a point and drag your mouse where you want to the line to be. But when I dragging the mouse above, because I want to create a thing which is 3 feet in height, you can see it is showing me measurements in feet and inches. It can be different if you have selected another template. For example, it can be meter as well, and you can type in meter here too. It will convert into feet and inches. So when I move here, you can see it says 2 feet and something. So all you have to do is click on a point and move it to a certain point and start typing on your keyboard the amount of measurement you want. So I'm gonna type 3, and I'm going to put in this side, which is one quote sign. So this means it is in feet, but if it was 2 quote, then it would be in inches. So after that, you have to just press enter on your keyboard and the line will be 3 feet height. You can do this in sideways as well. So I'm going to create 2 feet in the right, in the width. That's why I'm going to drag my mouse into width and type 2 feet and press enter. As you can see here, you can connect these dots to create things, and you can make any shape you want. And with freehand tool, you can create stuff as well by it like with it you can like create shapes which are like in curvatures. So you can create any shape you want, as you can see. So that's all about it. If you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe. And also thank you very much for watching this video.